morning, students. I'm Dr. Malleability, Assistant Professor of Economics Department. See, in today's class, we are going to discuss about the main qualities of good money. See, if money is a good money, what are the basic necessary qualities we are going to discuss in this today's class, right? See, something generally accepted as a medium of exchange, then we can say that it is a good money. Because whenever we are going and whenever we are buying and selling goods and services, we are using this money is a medium of exchange. So, if a money possesses the character of the medium of exchange, then we can say that this money is a good money. So the next quality is it is a measure of value. So if the value of a product is high, the money or the price of the product is also very high. So it is a measure of value, or a means of payment is known as money. So for the purpose of repayment also we are using this money. So to be able to perform the functions of money well, the money material must possess some of the important qualities. Let us concentrate one by one. So the first main quality of money is general acceptability. It is very necessary quality of the money, so it should be generally accepted by all the people in the purchase of goods and services, or in the export or import. Whenever trading is possible, or whenever we are buying and selling anything, it should be acceptable by all the person. Then we can say that it is a good character of money. So unless a person knows that the money which he accepts in exchange for his goods or services, it will be taken without any objection by others as well, he will not accept it. So it is or it will cease to be current. In order to possess this general acceptability, a commodity should have some intrinsic utility, independent of its value for monetary purpose. Silver and gold are generally acceptable to all, because without any hesitation, we are accepting silver or gold, because they are used for ornamental purpose. So easily it can sold, or besides being used for the monetary purpose also. So the first quality is it should be generally acceptable. Then the second character is it should be portable. See, portable in the sense a commodity fit to be used as a money must be such that it can be easily and economically transported from one place to another place. So it should, so in other words, it must possess a high value in small value. So precious metals possess this quality. So in the case of grain, a small value occupies a large bulk and weight. Therefore, they are unsuited as a money commodity. So portable in the sense easily we can transport money from one place to another place. That is considered as a portable. So portability is the next character or the quality of a good money. The next one is durability. This is the third character, or indestructibility. See, as the money is passed from hand to hand and is kept in reserve, it must not easily deteriorate, either in itself or as a result of wear and tear. It must not evaporate like alcohol, nor purely like animal substance, nor decay like wood or iron. See, even though we are exchanging money from one person to another person, or we are storing, or we are holding this money in a particular place, after 1 month or after 1 year also, it is durable. It cannot be destroyable, right? So this is the next quality of money. And the fourth quality of good money is homogeneity. See, all portions are specimens of the substance used as the money should be homogeneous. That is in terms of quality. See, if it is a 500 rupee note means the quality is same. At the same time, the both as well as other weights should be exactly same value. So in order that a commodity may be used as a measure of value, it is essential that its units are similar. Gold and silver, these are of the same quality throughout their various parts are similar in chemical as well as physical composition, and their consistency is the same throughout the mass, right? So the fourth quality of good money is homogeneity. What is the meaning of homogeneity? The size as well as quality should be same. So students, we are discussing about the qualities of good money. See, if it is generally acceptable means we are saying that it is the main quality of a good money. Portability in the sense we can easily transport from one place to another place. Durability means during long period of time we can use the same money without any destroyability. Homogeneity in the sense the value as well as quality should be same in the case of same denomination. This is the fourth quality. So let us concentrate on the fifth one. See, if you see this fifth quality, that is divisibility. See, divisibility in the sense we can divide the different currencies as well as notes. We can divide because it has some different denominations. This is the 10 rupees note. This is a 50 rupees note. This is 200 rupees note. This is 500 rupees note. This is a 5 rupee coin, like that. We can easily divide. So the money metal should be capable of division, and the aggregate value of mass after division should be almost exactly the same as before. So if we use the diamond as a money and by chance it drops from one hand and it breaks, we will suffer and loss. So this is not the case with precious metals. So their portions can be melted and remolded together any number of times without much loss, right? Then the next character is malleability. So the money material should be capable of being melted, beaten, and given convenient shapes. So it should be neither too hard nor too soft also. So if the former it cannot be easily coined, if the latter it would not last long. It should also possess the attribute of impressionability so that it may easily receive the impressions. So this is the sixth character. Then the seventh quality is cognizability. By it we mean the capability of a substance for being easily recognized as well as distinguished from all other substances. So as a medium of exchange, money has to be continually handed about, and it will cause great inconvenience if every person receiving it has to scrutinize. So it should have certain distinct marks which nobody can mistake. If you see silver and gold, these are at once recognized by the distinctive color, metallic and heavy weight of small bulk, and such as satisfy this condition also, right? And the next quality is stability of value. The money should not be subject to fluctuation in value. See, fluctuating in the sense it changes or some ups and downs. So these type of fluctuating standard of value is just like we are changing beyond. So the value of a material which is used to measure the value of all the other materials must be stable. So the ideal money commodity to assets possess utility, portability, durability, homogeneity, divisibility, cognizability, as well as the stability of value. So these are considered as the main qualities of a good money, right? Now let us concentrate on the Gresham's law. What is Gresham's law? See, the concept is very easy. Bad money drives out the good money. This is the main concept of Gresham's law. So it is a monetary principle. In this principle, it says bad money drives out good. It is primarily used for conservation as well as application in currency market. See, originally the Gresham's law is based on the composition of minted coins as well as the value of the precious metals used in them, right? But however, since the abandonment of metallic currency standards, this Gresham's law, it has been applied to these relative stability of different currencies also. In the global market value, we are using this concept. So at the core of this Gresham's law is the concept of good money. Good money in the sense here we are saying the money which is undervalued or money that is more stable in value. It versus bad money. See here, bad money in the sense money which is overvalued or lost value rapidly. That is considered as a bad money. So this Gresham's law hold that bad money drives out the good money in circulation. See, it is very common because whenever we are using the money, we try to use the bad money first. After that, we are circulating the good money. So initially we are expending or we are spending only the bad money. So these bad money drives out the good money in circulation. Because bad money is then the currency that is considered to have equal or less intrinsic value when compared to its face value. So meanwhile, good money is currency that is believed that it has a greater intrinsic value or more potential for greater value than its face value, right? So the main basic assumption here is for the concept is both currencies are treated as generally acceptable media of exchange are easily liquid and available for use simultaneously. So what is Gresham's law? As per this Gresham's law, bad money drives out the good money in circulation, right? So logically, people will choose to transact the business by using the bad money. So and they are holding the balances of good money. So the minting of coins provides the most basic example of Gresham's law applied. So in fact, these laws namesake Sir Thomas Gresham was referring to gold and silver coins in his relevant writing. So these, see if you see this Gresham, he lived from 1519 to 1579. See, he was working as a financier, serving the Queen and later founding the Royal Exchange of the City of London. Henry, he has changed this composition of the English shilling, replacing the substantial portion of the silver with the base metals. So these Gresham's consultations with the Queen explained that people were aware of the change as well as began separating the English shilling coins based on their production dates to hold the coins with more silver, which when melted down were worth more than their face value. So the Gresham, he observed that bad money was driving out the good money for circulation. So this phenomenon has been previously noticed and written about the ancient Greece and medieval Europe. The observation was not given the formal name Gresham's law until the middle of the 19th century when Scottish economist Henry Dunning attributed it to Gresham. So Gresham's law in the sense gold money only circulate and we are holding the good money in our hand. So this is the main concept of Gresham's law. Okay, students, thank you.